Good morning, students. Today we are studying about the types of matrices. First is the row matrix and column matrix. See, row matrix is defined as matrix which consists of only one row is called row matrix. It means जिस matrix में सिर्फ एक ही row होगी. We are talking only about the row. कॉलम्स की इसमें कहीं बात नहीं हो रही है जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही रो होगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव टेकन 1 2 3. इन दिस मैट्रिक्स कॉलम्स आर थ्री कॉलम्स हैं बट रो एक ही है 1 2 3. सो दिस मैट्रिक्स इज कॉल्ड एज द रो मैट्रिक्स. The general notation for the row matrix is 1 cross n. Why we have taken 1? Because it is fixed that there will always be only one row, but number of columns can be n. 2 columns भी हो सकते हैं, उसमें 3 columns भी हो सकते हैं. That's why we take the general notation for the row matrix as 1 cross n. Next is the column matrix. Matrix which consists of only one column is called as the column matrix. Similarly, इसमें जिस matrix में सिर्फ एक ही column होगा, that matrix is called as the column matrix. For example, now I have taken 1 2 3. In this, there are 3 rows in the matrix, but there is only one column. Rows तो 3 है हमारे पास, but column 1 है. So here it is fixed that there will always be one column in the column matrix. Number of rows can be 2, 3, 4 or etc. The general notation for the column matrix is m cross n. M denotes here the number of rows. It can be 2 or 3. And number of columns are always equals to 1. Next is the null matrix and square matrix. See, null matrix in which all elements are 0 is called as the null matrix. That is, aij is equals to 0. मतलब एक ऐसी matrix जिसके सारे elements 0 होंगे. aij is 0 for all ij. मतलब सारे elements for all rows and for all columns. For all ij, aij is always equals to 0. For example, I have taken this matrix. You can clearly see that the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2, but all elements are 0, so we called it as the null matrix. It is the null matrix of second order because there are 2 rows and 2 columns. Null matrix can be of any order. It can be 2 cross 2, 2 cross 3, 1 cross 2, any order. But the fixed condition here is that the all elements are 0. Next is the square matrix. In this matrix, number of rows are equals to the number of columns. That is, m is equals to n. ऐसी matrix जिसमें जितने rows हैं उतने ही columns होंगे, that matrix is called as the square matrix. For example, I have taken here 2 3 7 2. See, in this matrix there are 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows हैं, first row is 2 3, second row is 7 2 and first column is 2 7, second column is 3 2. So in this matrix there are 2 rows and 2 columns. So we take the order of the matrix here as 2 cross 2. It means it is a square matrix of order 2 cross 2. Main point here is that in the square matrix, principal diagonal works. In square matrix, principal diagonal works. Principal diagonal work करता है square matrix में. Why we say that the principal diagonal works in the square matrix? See, here I have taken this matrix. So in this matrix, principal diagonal is 2 2. 2 2 वाला जो diagonal है, that is the principal diagonal. You will not take 3 7 is the principal diagonal. So in square matrix, ये हम आपको मैं next video में बताऊंगी कि why I am saying that in this principal diagonal works. जो भी square matrix के क्वेश्चन होते हैं उसमें सबसे ज्यादा principal diagonal ही काम करता है, and here the principal diagonal is 2 2. It is not 3 7. Next is the trace of the matrix. Trace of the matrix is defined as sum of all principal diagonals of the matrix is called as the trace of the matrix. Clear? So trace of the matrix can only be found for the square matrix. Trace of the matrix can only be found for the square matrix. Clear? These are the properties of trace of A. Trace of A plus B is equals to trace of A plus trace of B. Similarly, it is for minus sign also. Trace of Ka is equals to K trace of A and trace of AB is equals to trace of B. Last I am giving you the worksheet for solving these questions. For example, you have to prove that trace of these two matrix. यहाँ पे आपको दो मैट्रिक्स दे रखे हैं. You have to prove that trace of these two matrix is equals to trace of first matrix plus trace of second matrix. It means अगर आप इन दोनों मैट्रिक्स को ऐड करेंगे और फिर ट्रेस निकालेंगे. ट्रेस कैसे निकालेंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे मैं ट्रेस 1 2 4 3 का निकालूं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में, तो प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल इज 1 3. प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल इज 1 3. तो 1 plus 3 the trace is 4. 1 plus 3 the trace is 4. And if I try to find out the trace of 2 2 4 4, then the principal diagonal is 2 4 and 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. It means अगर हम पहले इन दो मैट्रिसेस को ऐड करते हैं और फिर ट्रेस निकालते हैं, और अदरवाइज इफ वी फाइंड द ट्रेस ऑफ दीज टू मैट्रिक्स एंड देन ऐड, देन दिस आंसर विल बी इक्वल. Second point is the trace of this matrix is 2 times the trace of this. See, trace of 2 6 4 2 is, what is the principal diagonal here? 2 2. So sum of the principal diagonal element is 2 plus 2 4. And on right hand side, if I see that the principal diagonal is 1 1. So the sum of the principal diagonal is 1 plus 1 2. So 2 into 2 is again equals to 4. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. And the third part is saying that अगर हमारे पास दो matrices हैं A and B and here it is B into A, तो आप चाहे A into B करो या B into A करो और फिर trace find out करो. In both the cases you will get the same answer. So try these questions today. This is the worksheet.